I think that Keene State is a special place because it has always felt like a family. You are around some of the best people, the most passionate people, the students, the professors, and it just all comes together and makes you feel like you're at home even when you're away from home. I think the best part about the journalism program here at Keene State is being able to have a variety of different experiences, from print to broadcast to even radio.
We are a small program with big opportunities, rooted in a lot of individual attention and opportunity to apply what you're learning in class in some really great real-world settings.
I was surprised to immediately dive right in my first semester and start right here in the TV studio. We have so much to give you such an incredible, well-rounded experience that you wouldn't get elsewhere.
Not many places allow you to get hands-on with our equipment from day one like we do. A lot of the times you're not getting your hands on that stuff till you're in your junior year.
You could become a published photographer, media producer on day one, basically, of your college career, which is like unheard of.
I've had so many opportunities where I've been able to get that hands-on experience. I was able to self-produce my own podcast show. I've interned for the Cohen Institute on campus as a media and videography intern.
From semester one, I was very involved with the Equinox and was writing every week. It's a supportive learning environment where I could both learn and practice simultaneously.
Every single class you come out of with something to put in your portfolio. It's such a great range of the different types of content creation.
This program is a hands-on, fun, collaborative program. I'm close with all of the professors here in this program who genuinely support you and want you to succeed.
It's been really great because I feel like I have people like that I can rely on that are there for me.
The relationships that I have with the faculty members is a big part of why I've been able to become so confident in my abilities as a student journalist.
When a student comes out of here after 4 years of study with us, they have a very robust portfolio that they can show to someone in the industry and say, look at what I can do.
All of the opportunities that I've received here have set me up for success in my future after college. You get so much from this program that you can take into any field.
My experience has been amazing. I feel like I have totally gotten what I signed up for, and I've been able to produce a lot of work that I'm really proud of. You're not going to find a better option.
To be a content creator and a media producer, you can't find a better program than what we have right here. You are going to come in the door and you're going to start making that content from day one.
Keene State really prepared me for my career, and I feel like I'm getting up every morning and I'm serving my community and I'm making sure that people are informed, and I couldn't have done any of this without Keene State.